Hi everyone and welcome to my course, Developing JavaScript Single-Page Applications Protected by Azure Active Directory. My name is Ervis Trupja, and in this course we are going to talk about Azure Active Directory, or as we call it now, Microsoft Identity Platform, as a great Azure service which allows us to protect API endpoints, authenticate and authorize users using both Microsoft APIs such as Microsoft Graph or custom APIs. Some of the major topics that we will cover include enabling implicit flow in Azure Active Directory, protecting web APIs with Azure Active Directory, and accessing protected APIs from different single-page JavaScript apps such as a plain JavaScript app, an Angular app, and a React app. By the end of this course, you will know enough to take advantage of the amazing Azure Active Directory as a Microsoft's cloud-based identity and access management service. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about accessing ASP.NET Core Web API endpoints protected by Azure Active Directory from different single-page applications, with the Developing JavaScript Single-Page Apps protected by Azure Active Directory here at Pluralsight.